I am Letter Special case of product of binomial and trinomial. X plus y plus x squared minus xy plus y squared equals y x cubed plus y cubed. X minus y times x squared plus xy plus y squared equals to x squared minus y cubed. Sample. 5x minus 3y times 25 times 25x squared plus 30xy plus 9y squared equals to 5 times 3 equals 5 cubed equals to 125 x cubed equals to 1x cubed minus 3 cubed equals to 27 1 cubed equals to y cubed. Thank you.